Hello YouTubers, today we're going to replace that Weslock spring latch. So what you need to do first is, you probably see around here there's no screws outside. So it's pretty easy to take this off. It's basically, you have to, there's a little latch right here. You just click on that and then the knob pulls off. That's step one. And then step two is just two screws beneath here. In here, you need to take those out. And then step three would be two screws on the face plate by the door here. And then the other side just pops out when you unscrew the two screws. It's pretty simple here. I'll go ahead and show that to you. So first step here is to hit this little button here, and then voila, step one. Okay, and then take off the little face plate. Then you got the two little screws here you got to take off. Nice if I reverse it to the right way. I call this like a level 1 do-it-yourself project. It's pretty easy to do. Anyone could do it. You don't need to call in a handyman for this. Okay. And then there's this one more screw down here. Okay, remove that. And then the other side comes out. And then you just need to remove the two screws that's in the front. And voila, here is the, sorry for the move, Weslock right here. And then here's the, you can replace this, order online. I believe it's like $15, and you can just replace that, and then this thing will, you can buy a new one and then it'll be fine. And you can just install everything back just like as I showed you to remove it. If you like this video, hit the like button. Better yet, subscribe.